Wannan ma nake sa ina son sake dafa muna.
Okay, I'm not ready.
Khadija, an ka ba za ki ci ba ne?
Now sit down close to the window. That's what we dey always do for excursion.
Lecturers are not even there, so we'll still go there and still wait.
Lecturers. NAIMA ba kya son in shiga ne?
Say hi. Where you running?
I'm part of physics.
So we'll still have to wait. Now one can carry us, so we'll lap each other with that. Naike.
See him.
You know, like.
You know, say na in way be that.
One lecturer cannot take us.
So one lecture.
Abaka ne ko sai bari transfer kuma dan Allah muke yi baba na da ne
Ba picture bane.
wai na ba sabas ne
Everybody be like
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak goodbye.
Yes.
Get down. Back from the excursion, and I don't have any other food to cook, so I decided to cook indomie and yam, like more like water indomie, and I'm so hungry. I am damn hungry, and it is yummy. I never knew indomie and yam could be this good. You can see that. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. Hi guys, so this is like 5 days after. Okay, today's Friday, and we went for this excursion on Tuesday. It was a popular place that produces a very popular product for agriculture. If you are in the line of agriculture, you should know you wouldn't know the specific product, but it is, you must have definitely used the product in one way or the other, because I personally have used that product. So we went there, and apparently the CEO graduated from this my current school, and it just got me that actually that was my second time going there for an excursion. I've been there before, and when you get there, they will definitely advise you, let you know that your aims, your motives is right on track. Like for me, if you know me, I am for agriculture. I love agriculture so much. And when I tell people I love agriculture, they just look me with some kind of eyes, because you are a lady, you should be in the nursing, you should be in the health sector, you should be a nurse, you should be like, they feel agriculture is not for females, but I believe I can do it. So I am doing it already, inshallah. Like, if you, for security reasons, for his own security reasons and for my own security reasons, I would not be disclosing the particular factory we went to. But just know that there is money in agriculture. I know this man did not start from, he didn't just start from where he is now. He started from small, and definitely would must have gone through a lot of obstacles, a lot of downs, a lot, but he never gave up. The reason why there is no video, like the inside or something, is because we were told not to use our phone, not to even snap. So as soon as we got into the place, I dropped my camera, because you can you I believe you saw me recording the road as we were going. And when we got there, as soon as we got there, I had to drop my camera, because I wouldn't want to go against their rules. We went there for excursion, and it was a nice experience. I won't even lie, all through my stay in that place, I was just wowed. I was like, wow, how did this man start this thing? Like, who gave him the idea? How did he start? What obstacles did he meet on his way to this great investment? How was he able to overcome those obstacles? What did he do differently that made him successful? It got me thinking. I was just thinking, he has, I cannot tell the specific number of workers, but he has a good number of workers working under him that receive, they pay them as per these government workers. They receive the lower, I think the lowest paid worker there received the minimum wage in Nigeria. So you can imagine the kind of investment he has there. It is actually a plant, like a factory. I don't know how to explain it, but a plant, a factory where it is amazing. It is amazing. I was inspired. Everything motivated me. Everything inspired me to do more, to push more, to be great. I really really want to do well in agriculture. I see myself having a mechanized, a successful running mechanized farm of my own, NH farm, inshallah. NH farm, whatever I want to invest in or whatever I want to go in, I would love to name it NH, NAIMA Hudu, NH farm, NH kitchen, NH what do they call, NH anything. So it's really like, I feel really inspired, motivated to have my own. The lady said something there, one of the facilitators, she said something. She said, if um in the abroad, they can just come up and say they need 5,000 farmers from Nigeria that will help them start farming in their own country, that she wouldn't go. That instead of her to go and be feeding other people's chickens, she would rather start her own in Nigeria and feed her own chickens. And I thought about that and said, it is actually a nice thinking. It is actually a nice ideology to want to have your own, and instead of working for others, start small. No matter how small it is, just start small. Just the way I am now, I have started small, and with time, inshallah, I'll definitely expand my production. I'll definitely expand my farming and everything. So just start small, no matter how small it is. It is better for you to start small than do nothing. If you do not start small, there is no way you'll be able to expand. If you just sit down there, keep procrastinating, then there is no way you'll be able to improve on yourself. I am saying this personally because it has worked for me and I am on it, and I am working on it. It has worked for me and I am on it. Start small. Start from somewhere. Those great people you are seeing today, Dangote that you are seeing today, and others that you see today and admire today, didn't just start from where they are today. They started small. They were focused. They trusted the process. They prayed to God. In everything you do, pray. They prayed to God. God directed them. They were focused. They knew what they wanted, so they went for it. If Dangote had said, no, I want to wait until I have big to start, I am sure he wouldn't be where he is today. But no, he used what he had then to start, and here we are today. Dangote is known all over the world, not just Nigeria, but internationally. He is known. His products do not just stay in Nigeria, they stay outside Nigeria too. So that is amazing. That is really, really amazing. And she also mentioned, the facilitator also mentioned that, ladies, do not say you are a female, you want to limit yourself. That is one thing I am trying to pull. That is one mindset I am trying to work on. I am trying to pull myself from. I am not saying I am going to limit myself because I am a female, but people around you would see it as a big deal. You are a female, you're supposed to be in your husband's house, you're supposed to be catering for children, you're supposed to be catering for your husband, and not be outside on the street dragging money with men. Do you get that kind of mindset? So it will be a tough one for me as a female in the north. Do you get? But I am sure I'll be able to overcome it, because we still have a good number of successful females like myself in the north that are doing amazing for themselves. So why can't Neymar do it? Why can't I do it? Why do you think I can't do it? Or why do I think I can't do it? I can do it. It was really a mind blowing time for me during my stay there. I really, really enjoyed it. I was inspired. I was motivated to do more, to not give up. Because if actually I give up, what would I be using my life to do? I don't get. If I give up today and say, okay, I do not want to become successful, or I do not want to put in that hard work again, what do I do with my life? What do I do with my time? What do I do with my energy? What do I channel my energy to? So giving up is not an option. Do you get? Inshallah, giving up will never be an option. We are going to push it until we make it. We are going to push it until what? Give it to Mary, please. We are going to push until we make it, inshallah. So that was why I really did not feel the inside, the process and everything. Like, I really did not feel it, film it, because it was against the rule. And now seeing it on social media, with the way social media is now, I can't say, but the way social media is now, it's not really a safe space for you to put in everything, mostly your success, because evil eyes. Yeah, so yeah, that is just it. This is just like a video to motivate young people like myself, people in their early 20s, in their late teens. Be focused. You have to achieve what you want to achieve. Be focused, be determined, be prayerful, hard work, inshallah, and also work smart. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. Bye.